rice paddies on that part, which are used to collect rainwater when it rains hard. So the runoff water will be held by the rice paddies for a time. Now, that will suffice for the rice paddies for a few days, but if there is an absence of rain in prolonged period of time, we need this water pump to supplement the water so that the rice paddies will have water even after a prolonged absence of rain. This water will also go to the water system of the resort, and this one here goes to the swimming pool and to the rice paddies. So most of the time, this pipe will supply the swimming pool, which drains into the fish pond, and sometimes it is also being used as supplemental water for the rice paddies. This water tank here is needed so that if the pressure is too much, pressure of the water is too much, it will automatically turn off the water pump.
Alright.